Good morning to everyone. My name is A. Nirmal Kumar. I am studying BTech first year ECE B section. I am going to tell about different operations file in C. Different operations file in C. Firstly, introduction to file operations in C. File operations in C allow programs to read from and write to files for persistent data storage. These operations are essential for handling large data sets or maintaining data across program executions. C provides a standardized set of functions to perform various file operations efficiently and effectively. Opening files in C. The fopen function is used to open a file and returns a pointer to a file object. You specify the mode of operation such as R for reading, W for writing, or A for appending. Proper error checking after opening a file is crucial to ensure the file has been successfully opened. Closing files in C. The fclose function is used to close an open file and release associated resources. Always close files after operations are complete to prevent data loss or resource leaks. It is good practice for to check the return value of fclose for successful closure. Reading from files in C. Functions like fgetC, fgets and fread are used to read data from files. fgetC reads a single character while fgets reads a string until a new line or limit. Reading data efficiently depends on choosing the appropriate function based on data type and size. Writing to files in C. Data can be written to files using functions like ffootc, ffoots and fwrite. ffootc writes a single character while ffoots writes a string to the file. fwrite is used for writing blocks of data such as arrays or structures. File positioning and navigating in files. Functions like fseek, ftell and rewind help navigate within a file. fseek moves the file pointer to a specific location, enabling random access. Proper use of these functions allows efficient data retrieval and modification within files. Error handling in file operations. Always check the return values of file functions to handle errors gracefully. Functions like ferror can be determined if a file error has occurred during operations. Implementing error handling ensures data integrity and program stability. Practical examples of file operations. Opening a file, writing data, reading data and closing are common steps in file handling. Example, open a file in wrote mode, write a string, then close the file. These examples help illustrate the basic workflow for file operations in C. Best practices for file handling in C. I'll always check if the file pointer written by fopen is null before proceeding. Close all open files promptly to prevent resources leaks and data loss. Use buffering wisely and choose the right functions for your data type and size. Conclusion and summary. File operations in care, ccare, cr fundamental for data persistence and management. Understanding how to open, read, write, navigate, and close files is essential for effective programming. Proper error handling and best practices ensure robust and reliable file handling in C application essential for effective programming. C are fundamental for data resistance, persistence, and management. Thank you to all.